Today we're taking an in-depth look at the recycling process, the challenges it faces, and the improvements needed to make it more effective. We diligently sort our plastics, paper, and glass, believing that each item will be given a new life. We envision them transformed into new products, contributing to a circular economy. But what really happens to our recyclables once they leave our hands? The journey is complex and often falls short of our idealized vision of a seamless recycling process. A significant portion of what we toss into recycling bins doesn't actually get recycled. This is due to contamination, variations in recycling processes, and economic realities that hinder the system. By understanding the true journey of our recyclables, we can become more informed consumers and advocates for a sustainable future. Education and awareness are key. Recycling is not a magical solution. It's a system in need of continuous improvement and our active participation. Together, we can make a difference by being more mindful and proactive. A recycled items journey. The recycling process begins at our curbs, where collection trucks gather our sorted recyclables. These trucks transport the materials to a materials recovery facility. Conveyor belts and machinery sort paper, cardboard, metals, and plastics. Despite advanced technology, human hands play a crucial role in quality control. Workers remove contaminants and ensure correct categorization. Once sorted, recyclables are compressed into bales and transported to processing plants. There, they are transformed into new products, closing the recycling loop. Recycling rates and their implications. Despite the process, a significant portion of recyclables never gets recycled. The national recycling rate in the U.S. is around 35%. This means 65% of recyclables end up in landfills or incinerators. Landfills generate methane, a potent greenhouse gas, while incineration releases harmful pollutants. Contamination with non-recyclable materials poses a significant challenge. Fluctuations in global commodity markets and the low cost of virgin materials disincentivize recycling. This economic reality hinders progress towards a circular economy. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. Challenges hindering effective recycling. The recycling system faces many challenges that hinder its effectiveness, making it difficult to achieve sustainability goals. Lack of standardization in recycling programs leads to confusion and inconsistent practices. Different regions have varying rules, causing uncertainty among the public. The volume and diversity of materials, especially single-use plastics, complicate recycling. These materials often end up in landfills due to their complex composition. Complex packaging materials further complicate sorting and processing. Items with multiple layers or mixed materials are particularly challenging to recycle efficiently. Public awareness and understanding of proper recycling practices are lacking. Many people are unsure about what can and cannot be recycled, leading to mistakes. Wishful recycling contributes significantly to contamination. When non-recyclable items are placed in recycling bins, they can spoil entire batches of recyclables. The fluctuating global market for recycled materials makes it economically unviable for manufacturers to use recycled content. Prices and demand for recycled materials can vary greatly. Government policies and incentives are needed to promote a circular economy. Stronger regulations and support can help create a more sustainable recycling system. Reimagining recycling for a sustainable tomorrow. A more sustainable future is within reach if we reimagine our approach to recycling, focusing on innovative methods and community involvement. Standardizing recycling programs across municipalities can reduce contamination, increase efficiency, and make recycling more accessible to everyone. Investing in advanced recycling technologies, like chemical recycling, offers promising solutions to handle complex waste streams and improve material recovery. Shifting our focus from recycling more to consuming less is crucial for long-term sustainability and reducing our environmental footprint. Embracing reduce, reuse, and repair principles can significantly reduce waste, fostering a culture of sustainability and resourcefulness. Government policies, like extended producer responsibility programs, can hold manufacturers accountable for the entire life cycle of their products, encouraging eco-friendly designs. Tax credits and subsidies for businesses using recycled materials can create a favorable market, driving innovation and supporting a circular economy. Turning the tide on waste. The journey towards a sustainable future requires collective effort. By becoming informed consumers, we can make conscious choices about the products we purchase. Reducing reliance on single-use plastics is paramount. Simple swaps, like using reusable bottles and bags, can make a big difference. Supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability can affect change. Our journey begins with awareness, education, and action. By embracing reduce, reuse, and recycle principles, we can create a world where discarded materials are valuable resources. If you enjoyed learning about the recycling process and want to dive deeper into sustainability, check out our video on the biggest environmental challenges we face today. Learn about the solutions that can make a real impact in saving our planet. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 channel. See you next time.